Welcome to DreamGIS. Today we will learn how to open PDF file in QGIS and convert PDF to raster. First, open QGIS and click on layer, then click on add layer and then click on add raster layer. Here we need to add our PDF file. Click on browse and select your map in PDF format. Now click on open. Now here we can see location of our file. Now click on add. It takes some time to add the PDF file in QGIS software. Then click on close. The blue icon in the horizontal text bar showing the processing. Now the map is added to the canvas. Here we can see the every features of the map. Now we convert PDF to raster. To convert PDF file to raster, right click on PDF file which is added to layer panel and click on export followed by save as. Here we select the format of our raster file is GeoTIFF and then we click on browse to save our raster file in a specific folder. Now open our target folder and give a specific name. In my case I give 73 I by 3. Then click on save and then click on OK. Now our raster file was successfully exported. Then we remove our PDF file from layer panel. And here we can see only our rastered file which was we converted from PDF file. To see in our target folder, open our target folder and normally open our raster file. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share.